Good morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Be seated.
Thank you, sir.
So while seating, you can open the buttons if you want.
Sir, this one?
That should always be done, no? Well, Ayush,
Yes, sir.
there is some ministry named after you.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is Ministry of Ayush.
What is that? What is Ayush?
Sir, Ayush is an ancient alternative medical system of India, uh, whose full form is Ayurveda, Yoga, and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy.
Do you think these things are having any relevance when technologically
Yes.
allopathic system of medicine is progressing so fast, and now in the recent research, which has won basically the Nobel Prize in medical science,
Yes, sir.
something great has been done. So, what is the importance of these medicines?
Sir, in allopathic medicines, there is always some kind of side effects. But, sir, Ayush is a nature loving system which cures the root cause of the diseases. So, sir, it will remain always relevant.
For example, in case of cancer,
Yes.
very recently, the Nobel Prize winner, no, they have developed a technique
Yes.
by which they will be killing the cells, the malignant cells, by reducing the supply of oxygen. Have you heard about it?
No, sir, I have not.
So there will be zero side impact.
Okay, sir.
There will be zero side impact. So we have not been able to find any such thing in any other medicine practice.
Yes.
So how do you say that it will always be having side effects?
So, because, for example, in chemotherapy, we see that
The chemotherapy is okay now, it's old thing now.
Yes, sir. So, but Ayush system can reduce the symptoms and the other side effects of the diseases also. So,
So what do you think about homeopathy? What is that there in that homeopathic medicine?
so homeopathy is a German-based system, and so it is basically based upon the placebo effect.
Now, how will it treat different diseases? There's only a sugar bowl and some alcohol. Different person, different dilution.
So, I am not aware of this.
Okay, forget about it. You know, we don't have very good relationship with Myanmar. Whereas traditionally we were very, very close.
Yes.
Very close culturally, trade-wise, and there were so many things were common.
Yes.
So why there is an issue now? Why is this problem?
So, the issues are manifold. For example, the illegal immigrants issue, which was recently raised due to Rohingya migrants. And sir, apart from this, the Myanmar border, which India shares, is a contiguous area, and it is quite a rugged topography. So the tribals which are living there are not acquainted with the political boundaries of that region. So sir, there is some kind of tribal unrest in those
But
areas.
they have already now made a joint force, and India went into Myanmar
Yes, sir.
to fight these terrorists.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the issue then?
So, sir, these things also show that there are some tensions between India and Myanmar.
And what about economic relationship between these two countries?
Sir, I am not aware of that. Sir, sir I am not aware about economic.
Oh, even when we have such a strong cultural heritage,
Yes.
connectivity with each other,
Yes.
then why that country has not taken those particular structures available in that country as a tourist spot?
Sir, it can be due to the political instability which has remained in Myanmar for quite long. So, it can be a reason, sir.
So, what type of system at present prevailing, the political system prevailing in Myanmar?
So, currently it is a democracy.
Democracy of what sort? Prime Minister is there, or presidential system is there, or what?
So, I am not aware of this, sir. So, I am not aware of this.
What must be the closest distance between Myanmar and India?
So, it can be from a sea route from Kolkata to Sesame Port.
Any other route which can be very, very close to Myanmar? Okay, I will simplify it for you.
Yes.
You know, Myanmar has recently agreed
Yes.
that we can have a multimodal route,
Yes.
multimodal route
Yes.
through Myanmar
Yes.
to reach which country?
Sir, Thailand. Maybe, sir.
Thailand. Thailand is in different direction.
Sorry, sir.
And what is multimodal?
So multimodal would mean multiple mediums of passage. For example,
so
roadways.
what is this route known as? It's the project on which we have already started working with Myanmar. That project
So
has
it
already
is,
been
I think,
started.
Kaladan project, sir.
Yeah, Kaladan. So, what are the different components in Kaladan project?
Sir, I am not aware of this.
You don't need to remember that. Now, tell me one thing. When US has going in, again and again going in for killing the terrorists in the world,
Yes, sir.
and recently they had a very fine surgical strike. Did they do some surgical strike?
Sir, I am not aware.
American.
Yes, I am not aware of that, sir.
Did they basically eliminate some person?
Yes, sir. In Iran,
Who was he?
so he was the highest rank officer of the Iranian army.
So why don't they do the same thing with North Korea?
Sir, the biggest reason can be of a nuclear threat because North Korea has declared
No,
that.
but Iran is also having nuclear weapons.
Sir, but it is not declared.
But this is declared. They now, especially they have declared because this was the treaty between US and Iran.
Yes, sir.
That you will not do it further. You have this capability, but you will not further do it.
But sir, apart from this also, there is US army which is present in the Middle Eastern states also. But it is not with North Korea. In North Korea, it is completely a isolated state where US has no reach.
No, the US has sufficient presence in South China Sea.
Sir, but there is no manpower which is present on the Korean peninsula, sir. So it
Korean
cannot
peninsula?
directly. Yes, sir.
What do you mean by
Sir,
that?
in North Korea, sir.
Ah, yes, that's okay. Just tell me something more about that region. We have very good relationship with Japan.
Yes, sir.
What are the common grounds of having that type of sweet relationship?
So first is the democracy, which India is also having a democracy.
So there's so many countries are democratic, but we don't have very good relationship with every
Yes.
country of that. So what are the
Sir, we
specific
have
things?
good economic relations with Japan.
What type of relationships?
So we have trade with.
Give an example.
So for example, white goods, which we take, electronic goods from
What- yeah.
Japan,
Mhm.
and
Why Japan is investing so much of money? In the past, you might have heard that there was a specific program of aid being given to India for different forestry programs, for different cultural development programs. Then they started developing their Japanese industrial base estates in the country.
yes, sir.
So,
So one reason can be that Japan and India both see each other as a reliable strategic partner in the Southeast Asia and
what
the
is that
Asian region.
strategy for which both the countries are working? There must be something common.
Yes, sir.
That's why they are they're having such good relationship. What is that?
So it can be the emergence of China in the region, which is a threat to both the Japan and India, sir.
India, whatever threat do you consider that China will be imposing on us?
So, for example, the One Belt and One Road initiative, which passed through the northern India. So, sir, these kind of things can,
Northern India?
sir, in the POK region, sir, Pak occupied Kashmir region, sir.
So, how will it affect us?
So, it can affect us, sir, because it is our territory, and the construction of the CPEC in that region would be against the interest of India,
So,
sir.
why didn't we stop it?
Sir, because currently we are not having POK administration in our control, sir.
Okay. So, why recently there is some confusion between Pakistan and China about that particular project? Why?
Sir, I am not aware of that.
And what will be the port where they will be ultimately reaching?
So it will be Gwadar port, sir.
Okay. How far it is from Chabar port?
Sir, I'm not sure about the exact kilometers,
Not
but it
like
is
that,
very
not
near,
exact
sir.
kilometer, yeah.
But it is very near, sir.
Now it is very, very close, right?
Yes, sir.
These two ports are very, very close.
Yes, sir.
So, why US has relented in its sanctions against Iran in case of we constructing that particular port and constructing for the road to which place?
Sorry, sir, I didn't got that, sir.
What I'm saying, from Chabbar.
Yes, sir.
Chabbar port is being developed.
Yes, sir.
Why it is being developed by India?
Sir, to develop economic relations and other cultural relations with Iran.
With
in
Iran.
that region.
That is the sole purpose.
No, sir. To reach the internal Eurasian region, sir.
Basically, what? Which country?
So with Russia in the end.
That is and when will
Yes,
it come, it is not known. What
Sir,
is
to,
the present
sir, to
classical
Afghanistan.
importance? So Afghanistan, what do we want to do?
So, so there is a Dilaram highway in that region through which we can connect to the internal regions of Afghanistan.
So what will be the advantage accruing to our country?
So it will increase the trade relations with that country.
Already they are one-sided. We are providing all assistance to them.
And sir, our dependence upon other routes would decrease. Our dependence upon the Pakistan would decrease because we
Think more. Why America has relented? This will give you a hint.
So I'm not able to.
Okay,
recall.
thank you. Please.
Ayush,
Yes, sir.
what he was asking is very simple.
Yes.
America wants us to be there. So instead of, deploying their army, their resources, they want India to take over.
Yes.
All the problems, let India handles. And that's why they are allowing. So tell me, when we say the district administration,
Yes.
what we mean?
So with district administration, we mean that a district is, so we mean that the law and order in that area and the citizens which are living in that unit should get the basic amenities.
No. He is not asking that. He is asking what do you understand by
Structure.
district administration? Not the objectives or the activities undertaken by the district administration.
So district administration would mean to fulfill the demands of the district.
Again, you are talking about the objectives.
Yes, sir.
He is asking
What is the
district
structure?
ad-
What is the structure of district administration?
So at the top of it, it is district magistrate. So then it is a sub-divisional magistrate. So then different officers are there, sir.
District magistrate.
Yes, sir.
Then
So then it is
sub-divisional
SDM, yes.
magistrate. Where is collector?
So district magistrate is interchangeably used as collector also. When
What? Can you repeat?
so when he or she is
What intermediately change with what?
with collector, sir. This term is interchangeably used with district magistrate, sir.
Collector. Then collector,
Yes, sir.
deputy collectors. What else in the district administration?
So there are tehsildar officers.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not able
That's
to
all.
recall. No, sir, there are many, but I'm not able to recall, sir.
ये GS2 जब प्रिपेयर किया होगा
Yes,
ये तो
sir.
पढ़ा होगा ना GS2
Yes.
में तो सारा ये
ये तो 3 आदमी हुए मतलब. You see, with 3 persons, how will you handle a district having 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs population? Just recollect.
Yes, sir. So then at least there can be deputy collectors also, sir.
Can be.
Yes, sir, there are deputy collectors.
This is all you see, revenue side. What other? Which are other agencies? Which are
Sir,
other?
apart from this, from law and order section, it would be superintendent of police.
What is law and order section?
Sir, from the policing department, sir, I'm saying.
The police is a separate wing.
Yes, sir, it is completely a separate wing, sir.
Then what else?
So then there would be officers for urban planning.
Urban planning.
Yes, sir. Sir, traffic management would be a different section also.
Have you?
एक तो बेटा थोड़ा ये दूर कर लो, सेक्शन मत बोलो प्लीज, बिकॉज इन इंटरव्यू यू विल इमीडिएटली बी डिस्कार्डेड.
Yes, sir.
सेक्शंस नहीं होते हैं कभी भी, इसका थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेना चाहिए.
Yes.
These are not sections.
Yes.
Panchayati Raj?
Yes, sir.
Huge Panchayati Raj. So many departments. Jila Parishad, District Development Officer,
Yes.
Chief Executive Officer,
Yes.
DRDA. I mean, many, you see,
There are
this
many,
is
sir.
mini government at district level. Achha, tell me, as as a officer of, I mean, you are selected twice. What are your dreams actually you would like to fulfill as an officer? What will be your priorities? What you would like to do? What do you feel actually? Why you are going for this? What is driving you to join this service?
Sir, the diversity this service provides is driving me, sir, because it forms the core of the development planning and the policy making front of the governance of this country.
ये प्लानिंग बात मत यूज करो, मतलब थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स को ना कंट्रोल कर लो. सॉरी टू जस्ट बिकॉज दिस ट्रेनिंग सेशन.
Yes, sir.
पहले कुछ सोचो तो सही कि क्या बोलना है, एंड देन यूज द वर्ड. डोंट बी इन हरी.
Yes.
Cool down, think of it, what he has asked, and then try to answer.
I'm asking you, what is driving you to join this service? I mean, what you have in your mind? I mean, you have see dreams that if I join, I mean, this I would like to correct this. I'm asking about that. Forget theoretical things.
Yes.
Forget what you have prepared for your main exam.
Yes, sir.
Just say actually why you are here.
Sir, in a district there are many things which need to be corrected.
Not district. Now I am asking about service. Why this civil service?
Yes.
What is driving you to join civil service? 1, 2, 3.
और सिंपल कर देता हूँ जो सर पूछ रहे हैं
Yes.
कि why do you want basically to join, why do you want to become an IAS officer? Suppose, for example, let us limit this question now to this.
Sir, because there are a plethora of opportunities which is provided, sir.
This is motivating you.
Yes, sir.
What type of opportunities you have seen?
Sir,
कोई देखा होगा ना, सोचा होगा ना, जब भी तो उसके
sir,
आगे.
for example, in my district, sir, Mr. O.P. Chaudhary, the ex-IAS officer, sir, he has started many good initiatives which I have witnessed myself. So, for example, the lake beautification scheme of Raipur, in which many ponds like Telibanda Pond, Khatora Talab ponds were beautified. So, it attracted tourists and it completely changed the landscape.
So
of
this
that
is one
region.
thing according to you. Then second thing,
So, second thing would be,
he's asking for three things. At least you should tell that. So this is one thing which is motivating you.
yes, sir.
Then second,
So, secondly, in this service, sir, persons also get opportunity to represent India in different multilateral organizations like WTO, United Nations.
चलो नंबर 2 हो गया ये. 2 चीज़ें. थर्ड चीज़ क्या मोटिवेट कर रही है आपको?
So, third would be the policy making front.
पॉलिसी कैसे, कहाँ पे, किस स्टेज पे बनाओगे पॉलिसी जाके आप?
Sir, at higher stages,
तो वो तो कब पहुँचोगे आप? 30-32 साल बाद.
yes.
तो वो अभी से आपको उस चीज़ को ड्राइव कर रहे हैं आपको.
Sir, these only I can recall right now, sir.
ठीक.
Achha, tell me, what is RTI?
Sir, Right to Information Act was passed in 2005, which aims to make the government departments and the functioning of the government transparent in nature, and to provide all the informations of the government to the people of India, sir.
Because earlier also, government would have provided information through ministries, through officials, public relations officer, information department.
Sir, but through RTI,
Yeah.
the information would be very directed in nature. Whatever question which people ask, those answers would be given by the government, not it would be voluntary in nature, sir.
So answers,
So the whatever questions which people would ask,
It is questions or it is something else?
so it is about information, sir.
Yeah, it is
Yes, sir.
about information. So what is the reason why it is important, and it is different from the earlier you see channel of informations being going to public.
Sir, information is a fundamental right for the people of India, and without information, sir, democracy would not work.
No. I'm
Is
asking.
it, if it is a fundamental right under which provision of constitution?
Sorry, sir, I mistakenly said
अभी तो
that.
बताया था वो सोच के एक बार जस्ट गिव्स पॉज थोड़ा सा सोच बीच में रोको और फिर बताओ बेटा.
Yes. So it is important to have a well-functioning democracy.
Have you read the act?
Yes, sir.
Entire act.
So indirect, I have not read, sir.
Entire act.
Complete
पूरा
act,
complete
complete act.
Entire act, sir, I have not read, sir.
नहीं पढ़ा.
नहीं, sir.
I mean, just guess कितने उसमें sections हैं, कितना, how thick is that Bear Act?
So it would be very thick, sir.
हैं?
I am not aware of that, sir.
देखा है कहीं, मतलब Bear Act ये देखो IT Information का Act है,
No, sir. I
Right
have
to
not,
Information Act.
sir. No, sir.
अच्छा, उसमें what is the hierarchy? Hierarchy क्या है उसमें?
Sir, the lowest level, it would be a public information officer.
Yeah.
So then, in states, sir, we have state information commissioners, and at the center, we have central information
एक बीच में
commissioners.
तो भूल गए एक लेयर ना. There's one layer in between these two layers.
So I am not able to recall, sir.
Ayush, what did you read today?
Sir, today I have not read anything, sir.
Yesterday?
Sir, newspaper, sir, I have read.
What did you read in the newspaper?
Sir, I have read about the protests which are currently going on in the Shaheen Bagh area of Delhi.
So what was in the news yesterday?
जनरल मत बोलो. कल क्या है? सर ने ये पूछा था कि कल न्यूज़पेपर में क्या पढ़ा आपने, शाहीन बाग के बारे में क्या पढ़ा कल. कल तो कुछ था ही नहीं, आज है शाहीन बाग के बारे में तो इतना ज़्यादा.
Sir, in Indian Express also, sir.
हाँ, क्या था
they have-
बताओ.
क्या था वो बताओ.
Sir, I am not able to recall, sir.
Okay, how would you characterize that Shaheen Bagh protest?
So it is against the Citizenship Amendment Act, and sir,
Well, it is happening at 100 other places. What is the characteristic of Shaheen Bagh protest?
sir, I'm not.
Why it has got so much prominence in the news?
Yes, sir.
वो बहुत जगह पे हो रही है, हैदराबाद में हो रही है. I mean, so many places. Even दिल्ली में भी बहुत जगह पे हो रही है.
Yes, sir. So because maybe because it is in a very populous region, and
और फिर पॉपुलर
say a populous region, it is.
वो दिल्ली में every region is a populous,
Yes. So I'm not. aware.
except perhaps JNU, which is.
तुमने पढ़ा, वो आर्टिकल था, एडिटोरियल था, न्यूज
So
कॉलम
it
था,
was headline, sir.
खाली headlines. सिविल सर्विस एस्पायरेंट्स वो हेडलाइंस थोड़ी जो
Sir, I have
इम्पोर्टेंट है
read
उसको
it,
पूरा
but
पढ़ोगे ना.
sir, I've read it, but I am
Okay,
not able to-
okay. I noticed that both of your parents are academicians.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
So, what do you think about the education sector in India?
Sir, education sector in India is progressing continuously, but it requires some changes also, sir.
Okay, like what?
So, for example, we have very less number of higher education enrollments, and we lack, sir, employment generating education system in our country, sir. And sir, there is also lack of innovation, which needs to be sir checked, sir.
तो फिर progressing कहाँ से हुआ? We lack this, that is this.
So because in different states we can find that education system is being changed. So for example, in Delhi only, so new education policy has a separate course for startup and entrepreneurship, which is a right step in this, sir.
But course is one thing, but we are talking about education system in general.
Yes, sir.
So can we be little more general about where is our strength, what is our weakness, and what can be done? You know what government is planning to do?
So there is draft education policy,
So what is in
national
that?
education policy.
Will it take care of the issues that you are bringing out?
So I have not read the policy right now, sir.
Okay. Tell me about the Naxalites movement in India.
So the Naxalite movement in India started during late 1960s. Which
19?
late 1960s, sir, to be
60,
precise,
okay.
1967, in the Naxalbari region of West Bengal. Sir, in different states, it is due to different reasons, sir. But majorly, sir, it is due to the lack of development in those regions, sir.
Ah.
In the whole Red Corridor region, sir.
It wasn't there before 1990s.
So it was there before 90s, yes, sir, it was there, sir.
You said it started in 90 something.
So 1967, sir.
67, okay. Okay. So what are the primary reasons?
So reasons are manifold. So for example, the exploitation of tribals in those regions by moneylenders, traders, and even government officials also. And so those fault lines were used by the vested interest in those regions, sir. So it led to rise of Naxalism.
So how do you compare that belt from Orissa to Andhra on the east coast
Yes, sir.
and the northeast region? Can you compare and contrast that these both are, or at least were underdeveloped?
Yes, sir.
But how do they compare with each other or contrast with each
So
other?
with respect to Naxalism,
No, with respect to development. Naxalism may be part of it.
so the northeastern region of India has unfortunately remained completely isolated from the mainstream India, but the eastern Red Corridor of India has got many benefits of remaining in the mainland of India. So the topography is also very rugged in northeastern region as compared to the Red Corridor area. So both regions are highly forested, but there is some kind of industrial development in eastern Red Corridor region, sir. So for example, Bhilai steel plants, Rourkela plants. So the educational institutes in eastern India, eastern Red Corridor India are developed with as compared to northeastern regions of India, sir. So the connectivity is also less in northeastern states as compared to eastern corridor area, sir.
But is there insurgency issues in northeast?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the reasons in that region versus here? You are saying that the red belt, as you put it, has developed fine, at least
As compared to, sir.
connected, and but still there is a problem, a
Yes.
significant problem.
Yes, sir.
While northeast is completely cut off, and there is a problem. Are they similar?
No, sir. Problem is very different in both the regions. So the northeastern region is unique in the sense that it is having different tribes in there, and there is ethnic conflicts between each other. So, for example, the Bodo region, for example, so the Riang and the Bru controversy, which is currently happening there. So, but in eastern corridor area, the reason is different. It is against the exploitation and the role of ideology which is prevailing in that region, sir.
So, what's the solution for eastern region and northeast?
Sir, for northeastern region, I think the solution would be a case-by-case basis, which should depend upon states, sir. It should be taken differently for different states, sir.
Did you read about this Bordeaux agreement?
Yes, sir.
When was it?
Sir, I'm not able to recall, sir.
It was only day before
Yes,
yesterday.
sir. It happened recently, sir.
So what is it? Since you have not read,
चलो सर को ये बता दो कि बोडो प्रॉब्लम है क्या, फिर पता चलेगा ना आपको अपने आप क्या क्यों क्या है. व्हाट इज द बोडो प्रॉब्लम, वो बताओ.
Sir, the people of the Bodo, sir, the Bodo tribe is demanding a separate state in that area, sir. And already there is a separate Bodo territorial administration which is being created in that area, but they are demanding a separate state for themselves. But sir, recently they have agreed to put this condition down. Yes, sir.
So you are coming close to the answer ना, जब और थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस करो, इट विल बी एबल टू आंसर करेक्टली. अब बताओ कि क्या हुआ बोर्डर एग्रीमेंट में.
Sir, in recent one, sir, they have agreed to put their demand aside.
अभी तो कह रहे थे तुमने पढ़ा नहीं है, बिना पढ़े ही पता चल गया.
Sir, I have read about the recent
Okay.
current affairs, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, Ayush, you have done graduation in metallurgy.
Yes, sir.
So, what have you studied?
Sir, metallurgy, sir, is a science of material science, in which different properties of metals are being studied, and sir, its usage in different fields.
If you want to cut a metal, there are some special type of cutters available. Can you give me some names? Are you familiar with gas cutter?
Yes, sir, there are different cutters. So, for example, sir, I have seen one in which high velocity water is being projected to cut metals, sir.
Any acetylene gas cutter or something?
No, sir, I have not seen, sir.
Nothing. What is gold hallmarking? Hallmarking of the gold jewelry.
Sir, I am not aware of this, sir.
How many carats are there in gold jewelry?
So I heard about 24 carats, sir.
Other than
24 कैरेट.
The highest is 24, sir.
Okay.
That I have
that,
heard,
other
sir.
than that,
Sir, I am not aware, sir.
22 could be there.
Yes, sir.
18.
Sir,
So, how would they assay or evaluate the purity of gold? As a metallurgy student, tell me some basic principle.
Sir, it would be, I am not very sure, sir, but it would be the percentage of impurity.
Yeah, so how will you measure that?
अप्लाई बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मेटलर्जी भाई.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can do microstructure study about it, sir.
What else? Some spectroscopy analysis,
Sir,
spectral analysis.
yes, sir. SEM can be done, sir.
Can we do chromatography?
Sir, I'm not able to recall, sir.
You have given 15th preference to Indian Ordnance Factory Services. So, what do you think that job is? What is ordnance?
Sir, it is related with explosives and ammunition which are required for the government.
So, what type of metals do you think this factory would be using more other than the common iron, steel, aluminum that is given? What else? What type of metals they would be using?
Some metals.
Metals. What is gun metal?
Sir, I'm not aware of this, sir.
अच्छा चलो सिंपल सा आंसर बता दो सर को कि जो बॉम्ब्स होते हैं ना,
Yes, sir.
उनकी शेल किससे बनती है, वो तो बता सकते हैं, ऐसा मत करो.
Sir, I'm not aware of this, sir.
Tungsten, titanium. Are you familiar with these metals?
Yes, sir.
So, among them, which will have more density? Tungsten and titanium.
Sir, tungsten would be more dense than, sir, titanium.
But it is said that titanium is the most strongest metal,
Yes, sir.
even used in tank armor.
Yes, sir.
So, how would that be possible?
Sir, because it is ductile also, sir, so it can be shaped into different forms.
But for tank armor, you will not a very hard material, no? Anyways, leave it. This NCC you have done C certificate.
Yes, sir.
So in an NCC shield, from left to right, what are the colors?
Sir, in NCC,
Shield.
sir, I'm
There
not
is
aware.
a shield shape
Yes,
in
sir.
NCC. Tell me how many colors are there?
Sir,
colors.
3.
Which colors?
Sir, blue, red, and white, sir.
White represents what?
Sir, in NCC, I don't know, but generally it means peace, sir.
What is NCC song?
Sir, I have sang many times, but right now I am not.
Just words.
सर इसे स्टार्टिंग वर्ड हम सब भारतीय हैं.
बस तो वही तो problem. आता तो है तुम्हें.
Have you ever attended any training camps?
Yes, sir. 2 training camps, sir. I have
So
attended.
what did they teach you there?
So it was a 10-day training camp in which there were, sir, physical activities, cultural activities, and
Was there any rifle shooting training?
yes, sir.
What was the caliber of the rifle?
Sir, I'm not able to.
.22.
Sir, I think it was 0.25, sir.
So what was the mechanism? Self-loading, breech loading. Did they teach you some theory?
Yes, sir, they have taught, but I'm not able to recall, sir.
Okay, no issue. You are from Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I take a aeroplane flight from Gujarat to Chhattisgarh, straight flight in aeroplane. How many states will I cross? Gujarat to Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir. Sir, after Gujarat, sir, so including Gujarat and Chhattisgarh,
In between, you just narrate the names, I know.
sir, Maharashtra, southern Madhya Pradesh, southern Chhattisgarh, sir. So if it is,
And if I were to take a highway, which highway will be?
sir, I'm not aware of the highway, sir.
Sir, no. Sir, that is all.
So thank you very much. We shall call you after 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, beta, be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Beta, your educational background is perfect, right? And you have done very well in your class 10, class 12, even in your BTech you have done really good. And naturally when you have come to this level, so your optional is also very good. What is your optional
Sir,
subject?
geography.
Geography, so is very, very good. So all those things are very, very nice. These will help you a lot in securing good marks in your interview. But we have few suggestions for you.
Yes.
Number one, now when is your interview?
So 31st March.
Oh, it's sufficient time is there. You just go in for a course for 1 month. Course and an academy,
Yes, sir.
right? Which will give you complete idea of what is happening around you.
Yes, sir.
Your particular knowledge of your own subject is perfect, good, very, very good. But still you need lot many things which you should be aware of,
Yes, sir.
which are happening
Yes, sir.
nationally, internationally, which are very important.
Yes, sir.
This is one thing. Secondly, whenever you are giving so many times that I don't know,
Yes, sir.
it means you are killing yourself. So never do it in the interview board. Because it is not possible that you don't know. At that time, but you are not aware, you are not recollecting. That is possibility. But you cannot say that I don't know. Moreover, whenever you are going to speak about certain words, certain sentences, then you should be very, very careful that the next question may be asked on that particular thing.
Yes.
There were so many things on which the second answer was not available with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever you are trying to give answer, use the words very, very carefully.
Yes, sir.
And next point, you might not be knowing each and everything in this word, but specifically those things which you have studied, like metallurgy science, you have studied.
Yes, sir.
You have studied for your mains geography. Now these two subjects have to be prepared very, very carefully and extensively,
Yes, sir.
so that you are not putting a low and long face before the board, because your basic strengths are there. Unnecessarily, why should we hide our basic strengths and let the people exploit your knowledge base?
Yes.
This is a chance with you, you know. You have reached to this stage. So you will have to put in some effort. And one course is essential where you are taught about the critical things, important things which are happening around you in the world and in the country.
Sir,
Right.
if I may add one thing.
Yeah.
Sir, as you rightly said, 1 month course. And in addition, an academy is giving all these students
Yeah.
1 month's free subscription during this interview. phase.
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
is not like even you have to pay some
Don't have to
money
pay
and-
money.
or
So you
it's
just
not
go
exclusive
and
to
attend this
watch
course,
Yes.
and we are running a specific course where we are telling all these things. All critical issues, important issues are being told, right? And a few of our courses. So you should do that.
Yes.
That will give you a very, very broad picture of everything which is happening around you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question from your side?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please.